The history of China. China is one of the oldest and most continuous civilizations in the world, spanning over 5,000 years. It has witnessed numerous dynasties, cultural achievements, technological advancements, and significant political and social changes. Here's an overview of the history of China. Number 1. Ancient China, 2100 BC to 221 BC. The history of China begins with the emergence of early agricultural settlements along the Yellow River and Yangtze River valleys. The Xia dynasty, the first recorded dynasty, is considered the beginning of ancient China, although archaeological evidence is limited. Subsequent dynasties like the Shang and Zhou contributed to the development of Chinese culture, writing, oracle bone script, and social structures. Number 2. Imperial China, 221 BC to 1912 AD. The Qing dynasty unified China in 221 BC under Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who standardized writing, currency, and measurements and built the Great Wall of China. This period was followed by the Han dynasty, 206 BC to 220 AD, known for its advancements in governance, arts, and trade along the Silk Road. Number 3. Period of disunity, 220 AD to 589 AD. After the fall of the Han dynasty, China experienced a period of fragmentation and disunity known as the Three Kingdoms, followed by the Six Dynasties era. It was a time of political instability, but also significant cultural and artistic development. Number 4. Sui and Tang dynasties, 589 AD to 907 AD. The Sui dynasty reunited China and laid the foundation for the subsequent Tang dynasty, considered a golden age of Chinese civilization. The Tang dynasty was known for its prosperous economy, expansive territory, and cultural achievements, including poetry and Buddhism. Number 5. Song, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, 960 AD to 1912 AD. The Song dynasty, 960 to 1279, followed the Tang and witnessed further cultural and technological advancements, such as printing and gunpowder. The Yuan dynasty, 1271 to 1368, was established by Kublai Khan, a Mongol ruler, who incorporated China into the Mongol Empire. The Ming dynasty, 1368 to 1644, successfully expelled the Mongols and restored Chinese rule. It was a period of economic growth, maritime exploration, Zheng He's voyages, and cultural prosperity. The last imperial dynasty was the Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912, established by the Manchu people. The Qing faced internal and external challenges, including conflicts with Western powers. Number 6. Opium Wars and End of Imperial China, 19th century. In the 19th century, China faced increasing pressure from European powers, resulting in the Opium Wars, 1839 to 1842 and 1856 to 1860, with Britain, and conflicts with other foreign powers. These wars led to the signing of unequal treaties, territorial concessions, and the erosion of China's sovereignty. Number 7. End of Imperial Rule and Republic of China, 1912. The Qing dynasty was overthrown in 1911 in a revolution led by Sun Yat-sen, leading to the establishment of the Republic of China in 1912. However, the new republic faced internal strife, warlords, and foreign intervention. Number 8. Chinese Civil War and the People's Republic of China, 1949. The Chinese Civil War, fought between the Kuomintang, led by Chiang Kai-shek, and the Chinese Communist Party, led by Mao Zedong, ended in 1949 with the Communist victory. On October 1, 1949, Mao Zedong proclaimed the establishment of the People's Republic of China, PRC, and Chiang Kai-shek's government retreated to Taiwan, where the Republic of China, ROC, was established. Number 9. Early years of the PRC and Cultural Revolution, 1950s to 1970s. The early years of the PRC saw land reforms, industrialization, and the collectivization of agriculture. In the 1960s and 1970s, Mao Zedong launched the Cultural Revolution, a political movement aimed at purging perceived counter-revolutionary elements and promoting revolutionary ideology. Number 10. Economic reforms and modernization, late 20th century to present. After Mao Zedong's death in 1976, China underwent significant economic reforms under Deng Xiaoping. These reforms led to the opening up of the economy, foreign investment, and rapid industrialization. transforming China into a global economic powerhouse. China's modernization has been accompanied by challenges in human rights, political freedom, and environmental sustainability. Today, China is a major player in international affairs, with a booming economy, a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, and a key player in global trade and geopolitics. Its history continues to shape its identity, policies, and interactions with the world. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.